Welcome to the weekend version of Wall Street Sizing Up, something we like to call TLDR. Now, usually we alert, analyze, and commentate on all hedge fund positions that we think have upside to make you money and to make us money. But today, the TLDR Blitz, you know what that is. We're just going to literally throw out positions that hedge funds have taken on Friday. This is the weekend edition. But before we do that, I do want to go to our Twitter account. Why? It's not because of 44 followers, that's for sure, although we are a new channel. I want to alert you again, if you have not heard, we now have a bot. Developer developed this about 4 or 5 days ago now, and essentially what the bot does, you can see there, buy alert. So we are getting a dump from the SEC into our database of 13G and 13D filings, and as soon as those come in, we alert you, and it goes up as a buy alert. It tells you the stock, it tells you who, it tells you how much, and when they sized up, which is exactly what we're going to do today for positions over the weekend. But find us at Wall Street Sizing Up. That's Wall ST Sizing Up. Wall ST Sizing Up on Twitter. And with that, bam, let's hit it hard and fast. Here we go. TARA, that's TARA. Is the ticker. Proterra Therapeutics, Perceptive Advisor, sized up on them on September 24th. In fact, two funds sized up on TARA, but Perceptive was the first one. $12 million position. Since they sized up, they're up 7%. I would think that they're still in that position. That's TARA. Next up, ESTA, or Establishment Labs, Pura Vida Investments, sized up on September 25th. They added shares, so they're looking at this probably at more of a long-term or a shorter-term, long-term, if you know what I mean. $20 million position. They're up 10%. I would bet they're still in that position as well. It's ESTA, Establishment Labs. Next up, SOI, or Solaris Oilfield Infrastructure, sized up by Adage Capital on September 22nd. That's September 22nd. $10 million position. They're at 5%. Not a big fan of the energy sector. Just going to let you know that. Next up is ASRT, or Acerto Holdings. This is a biotech, and it's a true penny stock too. Highbridge Capital Management. They added shares. Again, could be a long-term position for them. September 23rd. They are up 0%, and they're in a $6 million position. They're up 0% since September 23rd, but again, it looks like a long-term position for them. Next up would be RMTI. That's RMTI, Rockwell Medical. Armistice Capital, our friends here on the channel. We see them all the time, at least once a week. September 23rd, they sized up on RMTI. It's a true penny stock as well. I believe it's trading about around $1.20. Since September 23rd, that $5 million position, they're only up 4%. Last but not least is the Freak, FREQ, Frequency Therapeutics. Somebody that we have not seen on the channel, Wasatch Advisor. That's Wasatch Advisor sized up on FREQ on September 30th. They added to their position, which is a $60 million position. It looks like they just bought the F and dip is what they did. They're only up 4% since they added to their position. Clearly, if you look at their chart, it looks like this is a long-term position for them as well. Again, I hope that helps. That's a weekend edition of TLDR Blitz from Wall Street Sizing. With that said, have a great weekend. Cheers, guys. We'll see you next time. Well, good day, good evening, and whatever time it may be. We hope you enjoyed that video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please hit the like or the subscribe or leave a comment because we love that feedback. And you know what we say. At the casino, you got to watch your six and you go hard in the paint, guys. Cheers. We'll see you next time.